So the way Caleb tells it, it was a dark, stormy night, and it was raining buckets, literally. That's actually not true. It was a light haze of rain, but we're gonna make this thing a lot more cooler with the water. Right now there's a hole in the bucket, so it's kind of a matter of getting there in time before I piss all this out. Handle broke. No, the plastic up for the handle broke. No, this will work. No, the plastic broke. I didn't do nothing. You saw the, hey, look, you got the tape right here. He's been filming the whole time. Run the tape back right now. So we're gonna do a little bit of a recreation of the night in which he got hit. So we're trying to get the police over here, get the car over here, get the fog machine underneath it. So we're gonna get some fog up. And over here, what is this one? Another headlights from another car?
Headlights.
Headlights from a car. And then,
Get the headlight special.
headlight special. Stay tuned. Great. Curling. Coming in hot, sec. Yep. Here you go. Everybody good? Good?
Oh, good. Yeah.
I think that's a wrap. Let's go.
Wrap.
Haze. We always need haze.
Kill these lights.